wow. You walk in, little storage area, go into the bathroom, shower. Look at the shower. If there's like a barn door that will close it off. Double sink. Oh, private, what's it called? Water closet.
Oh.
And there are 2 closets. This one has a safe and drawers. And then there's an ironing board. So lots of shelves and storage in here. And then the other one is all hanging. And the umbrella, which we'll need, and bathrobes. And then I was looking at this, but I don't quite know what this is. Looks like we can call for housekeeping. I don't know what that housekeeping, I don't know what that is. And then this is the light. And then that's for privacy. I don't know what that is. Oh, maybe this. There we go. That's what that is. That's pretty cool. And a beautiful room, 2 double beds. I love this artwork. And then the barn door that slides to close up the bathroom.
I'm gonna wash my hands. Oh, you do that.
Nice little mini bar. Lots of storage. Room divider. Sweet. And the best part is the room. We have a soaking tub out here. It's raining. There's still diehards down there on the beach. And there it is.